If you're planning a trip to Paris and you are scared or intimidated or worried or nervous about using the Paris metro, please put that aside and watch this video with me. I'm going to take you on my day where I mic'd up and used the metro. I'm going to show you how simple and easy and convenient it can be. All right, it is time to go from the Latin Quarter over to the Marais, and since it's a long walk, I'm going to jump on the metro. You're going to come along with me as we use the Paris metro. Got our handy dandy Navigo card. And something to know here, when you're using the metro, each line runs in two directions, an end point and a start point, and your stop will be along the way. So when you get in the station, look for signs like this, find your stop, and that will tell you which direction on that train you need to look for as you're following signs through the metro. And they're all color-coded, which makes it easy. On today's trip, I'm actually leaving from the Saint-Michel station, headed for Chatelet. So I'm taking Metro Line 4, and I'll be looking for the end direction, which contains the Chatelet stop along the way. We are looking for Metro Line 4 towards the Port de Clignancourt, and that will take us to Chatelet-Les-Halles. You got two choices down here. Make sure you're going in the right direction. We want that one towards Clignancourt. And you take your card and we're going to tap it on one of these green. There. And you go through. And then you can put your card away. Right here we're looking for line 11, so we're going that way. If you happen to get on the metro going the wrong direction, which we often do, don't freak out. Just get off at the next stop, cross over, and get on the line going back the other way. And we're following signs to 11. And we're still good. You gotta, sometimes you have to stop and reorient yourself, but don't freak out. There's signs. Just take a breath and find your signs. Metro 11, we're going this way. Make sure the signs still say where you're going. And a lot of people will tell you to avoid Chatelet as a stop because it's a big, busy metro station. So keep that in mind. If it's your first time, maybe don't do Chatelet. We're still going towards 11. Straight ahead, there's the sign. It's a big enough station to have these moving walkways, so you know you found a big station when you see these. Just take your time. And here's the sign for 11. We're going to turn left right here. And today I'm going to Arts et Metiers to get off, so I need to be going in the direction of Rosny-sous-Bois, so we're going to be looking for that on the signs that are everywhere. And we're going to be going on this train, Rosny-sous-Bois. So we'll go find an empty car and have a seat. Leaving in 2 minutes. And once you're on the train, I will show you how to tell where to get off. Right here, since this is empty, here's the sign of all the things we're going to be doing. We're at Chatelet and we're going to be getting off at Arts et Metiers pretty soon. We'll ride 3 stops. Okay, we got off at Arts et Metiers and we're looking for exit 3. And if you use RATP, the app, or even Google Maps will tell you which exit to use to get out of the metro to end up where you want to be on this street. So pay attention to which exit. There will usually be multiple ones and it will save you some walking time. And you just follow the green exit signs up to the street. Make sure you pop out at the right spot as far as where you want to be, or you'll do a little extra walking. It won't make you lost, you'll just not be where you want to be. And then we pop out right through here. And you're heading up to the street. So don't be scared to take the metro. It's not hard. Just follow signs. And be ready for lots of stairs. And then when you get out, don't stop right at the top and look at your map, because there's going to be people there waiting to grab stuff out of your bag and your pockets. So get away from the metro and then orient where you're going. And something to remember, when you're in the system and you need to change trains, just follow the app. It will tell you what line to look for next, and then you're going to look for the signs that are everywhere. Find that other line, find your direction, and get on the next train. If you change trains and you don't get out on the street to do it, you're going to use the same ticket. It doesn't cost you a second ticket to do that. So one ride is as long as you're in the station without getting up on the street. And here we are back at the Saint Paul metro station, which is one of the closer ones to where we stay on the Ile Saint-Louis. I hope this inspires you to take the Paris Metro. Do not be intimidated or scared to take it. Pickpocketing is a thing. I've never had a problem with it. Keep your stuff in front of you, not behind you like this guy, and keep an eye on all your goods. But it is a lovely way to get around. You're usually never more than a block from a metro station, and it's easy to just hop on. It doesn't cost much, super convenient and quick to get where you need to go in Paris. Plus, it's just such a Paris thing to do when you're there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.